Hello, everybody. So, I have a friend who insisted that requested and insisted to have an analysis for the gold. I don't do commodities, um, but as I told you, my friend has insisted, so I'm going to give just a pure technical analysis. I'm not going to, which means it's 50% because I'm fundamental technical analyst, so I'm not going through fundamentals as I have to go through the inventories, the purchasing contracts, and central bank policies, mining stuff like that, in order to give the full picture. But let's look at the technical, which is not recommended at all. So for the gold, it has been very super bullish here for a considerable period of time. According to my analysis, which is purely technical, I believe that the gold might find some kind of retracement as far as 25, 60 or something like that. Probably if it dropped more, it will go to 23, 20 around this area. This only if I was going to trade gold, okay? But I'm not a gold trader, so I'm not very much into this. But if you, let's say, the platform I'm working on offers me only gold, I will be shorting gold. Yet I'm going to avoid. It will be, way better to avoid because until the price drops back to the black line here, black trend line, if it broke the trend line, I may go uh, shorting this pair. Okay, and it's somehow similar to the euro dollar. Let's see the euro dollar here. Euro dollar also have the same pattern. This is the daily, same as the gold. Last week, because due to the tensions in the Middle East, so the price, the euro dollar got very polished as long as the oil and gold. So once it breaks this black uh, trend line, I'm going to be very much bearish for the euro dollar to the very bottom here. Okay, to the to the this zone at 1.05 probably. As you know, I'm a position trader. My trades might take a week or so. I'm not a day trader or a scalper or anything like that. If you recall, last week we had the Euro CAD analysis, and I said that it has formed inverted head and shoulders. Once it breaks the neckline here, it's going to be bullish, and it happened. I have reached my target. Okay, so sorry, this was the Euro pound, not Euro CAD. Okay, for the Euro CAD, similar to the Euro dollar, once it breaks the trend line here, it might be good chance for shorting. The pound kiwi, it has formed. This is a daily chart, of course, and it has formed a rising channel. It was disrupted, and I believe it's going to form some kind of bearish channel here in this area. The pound dollar is the most interesting pair for me as it's fundamentally okay. Okay, for the from the fundamental analysis side, it's okay. The euro dollar fundamentally is terrible, so I'm focusing much more on the pound dollar. Fundamentally, it's okay, and technically, as you can see, we have a clear rising wedge here. This is the dollar index, and it's showing that the dollar has went to a previous support level, very strong support level here, which in sense it gives the green light for reversals on the euro dollar and the pound dollar pair, as well as the gold also. So it's going to be very good chance to short the euro dollar, pound dollar, and the gold. If I'm going to trade the gold, remember I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you my trades and my ideas about trading. Trading, you have to make your own analysis. Okay, the pound balloon here, and we have we have discussed this earlier in the past week, and has broken the rising wedge and continuing to go lower. I believe we have a great chance for lower targets. Okay, this is the Bitcoin. I have seen very much inconsistencies in the Bitcoin on the shorter time frames. This is the monthly chart for the Bitcoin. We can see that it has a rising wedge here. This is a monthly chart. Okay, if we drop down to the weekly, I told you before that we have a rising channel here, and there's a very good very strong probability for bearishness. Me personally, I will never go long on the Bitcoin. If I'm going to trade the Bitcoin, I'm going to avoid it at this moment, and that's it. I'm going, as I told you, I'm going to trade the euro pound, the euro dollar, pound dollar, and that's it. All right. This is not an advice. Just do your math before you make any trade. I'm just sharing with you my ideas and my personal trades. Thank you very much for subscribing for the channel. By the way, if you're not subscribed, subscribe because you are going to benefit a lot from the ideas we are discussing here.